Yeah, I'm coming. I'm just coming. I just got to stop off.
We've all been there. But how do we fix it then?
Hello there. Yeah, I've damaged my car and I want to get it sorted out as soon as possible, please.
Let's take a little look over at Mission Control.
Rapid Repair Network, James speaking.
Wow, just pure efficiency. Which means, with the issue diagnosed, the team begins to organise the fix. We bring the Bodyshop to you. All done within minutes.
Oh, here's Ryan, by the way.
A remarkably talented mobile technician. No matter the scale of the incident, our network brings the workshop directly to the driver. Hassle-free. Keeping drivers on the road, keeping people moving. That's Rapid Repair Network.